Here at Excel Machinery, we want everyone to excel in their job. To crush your project successfully, safety is our #1 priority. So maybe you already know this, or maybe this is a refresher. Here are some safety tips on how to safely operate machinery. Working with aggregate machinery can open the door to plenty of hazards. You can easily lose a limb, get a nasty cut, or worse, get impaled like Olaf in Frozen.
Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
So our first tip, know how to operate your machinery. Don't take a guess. Ask your supervisor. Make sure to listen to what they tell you and ask any questions you may have. There is no such thing as a stupid question. Communication is key. Next tip, communicate with your coworkers. When working around heavy machinery, you must have some means of communication with the operator before approaching the machine, whether that's eye contact, verbal signals, or hand signs. Make sure your communication is clear, concise, and understood by both parties. When communication is clear, you can avoid accidents that may lead to crazy superpowers. And last but not least, be visible, stay out of those blind spots. When working around and operating equipment, make sure the operators are aware of your presence. Wear high visibility garments that are approved by your employer. Out of sight in this instance can actually be out of mind, and you don't want that. I hope this was a good refresher and encourages you to keep your safety in mind while handling any heavy machinery. Now get out there safely and crush your next project.